one SHO was killed and two other policemen injured as terrorists opened fire at their patrol party in the Budgam district of Central Kashmir. The attack happened in the crowded Chadura Chowk area. Fareed Mir is now joining us live from the location where this incident took place earlier in the afternoon. Fareed, what is known about the number of militants who were involved in this incident?
Well, the number could be anywhere between 2 to 3 now. Let me straight away, first of all, take you to the spot where this incident took place. This is, as you rightly said, is the Chadura Chowk area, very busy area through the day, a lot of civilian movement, and it was at around 1:30 p.m. this afternoon when militants struck the station house officer of the Chadura police station, along with 2 to 3 other policemen, was exactly standing at this place. I'll ask Mehraj to just zoom in. This is the area where he was standing, and at the same time militants, whose number is said to be anywhere between 2 to 3, came very close and fired from their automatic weapons. The SHO was critically injured. 2 more policemen were injured in this incident. The SHO was shifted to the hospital where they declared him brought dead. Now after that there is a lot of police presence in this particular area. We're seeing the police, the CRPF, the army. It's a joint effort right now. Investigations on. They're trying to gather whatever clues they can get from the spot. Eyewitness accounts as to how many militants, what was their modus operandi. But clearly, once again today we are seeing that the militants are continuing with their strategy of targeted attacks. We've seen same thing happening in South Kashmir. Times Now put out a detailed report about the fact that this is the new strategy of Lashkar Hizbul Mujahideen in South Kashmir. They're using pistols for these attacks. They're identifying vulnerable targets on the roadside, be it road opening parties, police or CRPF, and then shooting at them from point blank range and escaping. And exactly the same strategy here as well. They identified these policemen, came very close to them, shot at them several times, and then escaped from the spot. Now, right now, as you can see, a lot of police presence, senior police officers from the Special Operations Group and District Police as well. The Army, Rashtra Rifles helping them. They're trying to sanitize the area. We're seeing that they're going up these buildings. They're clearing these buildings, sanitizing these buildings, as is the standard operating procedure.
Right.
But yes, now a major worry for the police, simply because this area hasn't seen a lot of militancy in the past, very few incidents, and certainly we are seeing that such a daring strike in Chadura, and now they'll have to go back to the drawing board and re-strategize and to see as to who are the people involved and to ensure that they do not strike again. Back to you.